Hello guys, welcome to Blogging My Passion YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple number of posts into WordPress. Suppose you want to post something into WordPress. Normally you go to the post section in the WordPress dashboard and write the post and do them one by one. But if you have a couple of hundreds of posts and if you want to post them into WordPress, and if you do it one by one, it takes a lot of time. So if you want to upload all of those 100 or 200 posts at once into WordPress, you can use this method. Normally, in order to do that one, we use a plugin called WP Ultimate CSV Importer, and I'm going to show you how to use that plugin and how to upload multiple number of posts into WordPress. Okay, so in order to do that, first we need to install the plugin WP Ultimate CSV Importer. So first go to the plugins section and go to add new. So search in the plugins section with the word WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Okay, so this is the plugin WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Now click on install. Install now. Are you sure you want to install this plugin? Yes. Okay, so now the plugin is installed and click on activate plugin. Okay, so now the plugin is activated and the plugin is okay, so WP Ultimate CSV Importer. So this is the plugin that is installed, and once this plugin is installed, you can see WP Ultimate CSV Importer menu item on the left menu bar. So click on this one. You will see different tabs here: dashboard, imports, managers, export, settings, etc. So first, before going and uploading multiple number of posts, let's create a CSV file with all our posts information in that. So to do that one, I'm creating a new CSV file here. Okay, so I'm creating a new CSV file here, and the CSV file is I'm just going to the start button and starting the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so Microsoft Excel is started. Now we need to add a few columns into this. So the columns I am going to add are title, and second one is description. Okay, so this is the post title we are uploading, and the second one is a description, so where we will be writing the post, and the third one is status. So status is nothing but whether it is a if you want to upload it as a draft version, you can we use the word draft in the status, or if you want to directly publish it, you can use publish. Next one is categories, and next one is tags. Okay, so this is the template we are using. Actually, we can use more number of fields in this one, but I will show I'll show them what fields you can use later. Okay, so now I'm creating two test posts in this one. One is testing WP Ultimate CSV Importer. So this is my first post title. So since these are this is just for the demo purpose, I'm using these titles and articles. These are not the real articles actually. So I'm using test 1, and the description is this is test for WP Ultimate CSV Importer, and status I am saving it as a draft version, so I'm using the word draft. So once you upload this template, these articles into WordPress, they will be stored as a draft versions, they won't be published directly. So the category section also here, if you already have a category that you want to post these articles into, then you can use that category name here. But if the category that you are entering here is not found in the WordPress, then this plugin will create that category directly. So here I am using the category called WP Ultimate CSV Importer. So WPU CSVI, this is the category I am using. This is not there in my WordPress categories, so the plugin will create this category directly. So tags, I am using it as test1, test2. So these are the tags I'm using. And okay, so now let me make a second post here. Second post is I'm just copying this first post and changing a few words in this one. So I'm changing this one to test2. So the title is test WP Ultimate CSV Importer test2. This is test for WP Ultimate CSV Importer. I'm using the words to recognize two, and for the first one I am using 1. This is again a draft version and category is same, and tags are also same. So tags okay, tags are also same. I'm using a third one here, so I'm just copying and pasting the same one, and I'm modifying a few words. Title I'm modifying it to test3, and description also it's a third one, and this is again a draft version, and the categories and tags are same. So now once you prepare this template, just save this one. I'm saving it in a particular folder. Okay, so I'm saving it with the name WP Ultimate CSV Importer. But while saving it, you need to save it in CSV format, CSV comma delimited. So if you see this one, okay, so this is the CSV comma delimited format. So you need to save this one in this format. If you save it in the Excel format directly, it won't work. So this is one important thing you have to remember. You have to save it in CSV comma delimited format. So just save it in this format. Okay, so it gives you some warning, so click on OK, click on yes. Okay, now the file is saved. I'm just closing this one, save. Okay, not needed. Okay, so now the file is saved here. Now let's go to our dashboard and into the plugin WP CSV Importer. So now you have the template ready with all your posts. So now go to this one and go to the imports section. Here you see different options here. So here we have the options for importing the posts, importing the pages, importing any custom posts, importing users. This plugin works well for custom posts as well, and it will show you all the custom fields as well, so you can import custom posts also. And there are different other things, you can import file managers, smart scheduler, and you can export anything, and you can this is the settings part. So like this there are different things. Since we are importing we are uploading multiple number of posts, go to this WP CSV importer page and go to imports tab here and click on the post link here. So once that post link is clicked, you see different options here. So these different options are CSV import options. First we need to upload that file, and second one is we need to map the CSV to the WordPress fields or attributes, and I'll show you how to map this one. That means we have created the template with some particular fields in it, title, description, and we need to map them. That means here you can create the template with different names also. You don't need to really use the column names as title or description extra. You just need to create with 1, 2, 3 like that as well. The only thing is we need to map those columns correctly into the fields here. Next one is settings and performance. So these are all the different options available. So once we have to complete all these actions one by one. That means once the CSV import options, once the file is uploaded, then only we can go to the next button. You can see the next button is disabled here. That means once the file is uploaded, then only we can see the the next sections here. So let's go and first upload the file. So I'm browsing this file here, and then I'm going to this folder where I have saved this template. Okay, so now this is the template. I'm just selecting this one and click open. Okay, so now the file is uploaded here. Since this is a CSV comma delimited file, this is uploaded. If it is any other format, it won't work actually. So you need to save the original file as a CSV file. So now the file is uploaded. Click on next button here. See, the next button is enabled here. Click on next button. Okay, so here is the section for mapping the columns that we have created in the CSV file to the WordPress, the fields that we have in the actual post template. So the first one is post title. So we are mapping it to the title, and next one is post content. We are mapping it to the description. And see, there are a lot of other fields as well you can create, like the post accept and post date, post name, post other, and all these things you can create. These are all different custom fields available. Okay, next one is post status. This one you need to select. So the post status is status here. I'm mapping it to the column status in my Excel. Okay, so in the status column, we have the status as a draft. So once the posts are updated, they'll be saved in the draft status. So now we don't need these custom fields, but if you have any custom fields in your posts, normally you can see them, see those custom fields here, and you can map them to your columns in your Excel sheet. Now let's come down. Okay, so here we have the post category. I am selecting the categories column in my Excel sheet, and next one is post tag. I am selecting the tag section here. Okay, so now all the columns in our Excel sheet are mapped to the fields in the actual post template in WordPress. So now everything is mapped. Now we have the click on next button here. Okay, so now all the fields are mapped successfully. Now it is the settings and performance. It will give you different options here. Import right away, detect. You can use detect duplicate post content, and if you have duplicate post titles. Suppose by mistake you have 100 of posts, and by mistake you have duplicate posts in your template, then you can use this option to detect those duplicates, and you can remove them and insert inline images. So like this, you have different options. So click on import now. Okay, so now the import is done. It is showing that import is in progress. So total number of records are 3. Total number of mapped fields for a single record 5. Total number of unmapped fields, because we don't have any of these fields here, so there are 78 fields. So we don't need to worry, because these are the minimum number of fields we have to provide. The minimum number of fields are title, description, status, category, and tags also you don't need to provide actually, because tags is not a permanent field, but definitely you need to provide a title, you need to provide a description, or post content, and you need to provide the category, and you also need to provide the what is the fourth one, you also need to provide the status. That means whether you want to save it in a draft mode or whether you want to save it in a published mode. Okay, so here you can see the status import successfully completed. So that means now the import is successfully completed. Now let's go to our category section and see if the category that we have used, which is WP U CSVI, category is created. If you see here, so these are all the different categories. So okay, this is not there. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, in the next page you can see that category is created successfully here. Now let's go to the post section, all posts, and see if all our posts are imported successfully. So if you see here, test WP ultimate CSV importer test 3, so this is the third post, this is the second post, which is test 2, and this is the first post. And if you see, all these posts are saved as a draft versions. Okay, now, and the tags also you can see as test 1 and test 2, and the categories are created as WPUCSVI. Okay, if you don't provide the other name, by default it maps to the admin username. So this is my admin name, so it mapped the articles to this one. So let's go to this one article and see how it is done. Okay, I'm just opening one of the posts. Okay, see, the title is perfect, and the post content also came correctly. Now the category is mapped correctly, and it is in a draft status, and the tags are test 1 and test 2. So everything worked correctly. So this is the plugin you can use. This WP Ultimate CSV Importer is the plugin you can use, and you can import any number of posts you want. So hope you like this video, and if you want to import a lot of posts at once into WordPress, you can use this tutorial, and you can use the plugin WP Ultimate CSV Importer. And hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Blogging My Passion. Thank you. Okay guys, this is my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/bloggingmypassion, and these are few more videos, WordPress videos, displaying a WordPress widget on a specific page or post, and how to create an ebook store in WordPress. So if you want to view these videos, you can click on these things. And if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button here and subscribe to my YouTube channel Blogging My Passion. Thank you very much.